Good afternoon, everyone. I am Santosh Kumar. I am here to talking about the professional ethics for the lawyers and what and all advocate skills. The professional ethics are those the sets of code and moral principles that governing the personal person conducting the professional workplace or the work life. In Advocate Act in 1961, it introduced the implement recommending all the Indian bar committees to take into the account that a lawyer committee recommend relating to the legal professions. And in Bar Council rules, the Bar Council of the India is framing the rules under the Part 4 of the Chapter 2 deals with the standard of a professional conduct, conduct of lawyers and what and all the lawyer's duty towards the court to maintain the respect, attitude, and dignity towards the court, not to impact on the decisions of the court by any unlawful or inappropriate means, using this effect to avoiding the client doing unfair practice and to appear in the court in the perspective dress and proper manner and to wear the are in the proper dress. And next is that lawyer duty towards the client. Once he is accept, then he cannot be withdraw from the action and engagement without the appropriate cost. Should not be accept appear in the court which he has a reason to believe that he was witness. Is to make and next one is to make a full disclosed against his connection with the party interest before the commitment of engagement during the process. Support the interest of his client by all moral means. The next one is that punishment for the professional misconduct in section 2035 of the Advocate Act in 1961. If the person is found that guilty of a professional misconduct, then that the case will be referred to a disciplinary committee. Then they will fix date for hearing and issues the notice of the advocate. A disciplinary committee of the state of a bar council will be hearing the both parties. Then the court may dismiss the case or warning the advocate and suspend the advocate from the practice for the certain periods of time and remove the name from the advocate from the state role of the advocates. And next one is advocate skills. First one is the good communication skills and next one is judgment and third one is analytical skills and fourth one is research skills and people skills. First one is the good communication skills. The lawyers must be orally and not have the good written communication skills and also the good listener, like in order to argue in the courtroom before the judge, or the good public speaker skills are estimate. Communicate and speaking skills are developing during the studies, taking a part in the activity in the college itself in the moot courting. And judgment skills. Judgment skills is the in the case that abilities to draw the reasonable and logic conclusion or assumptions from the limited informations. As a lawyer, consider the judgment is critical and so that the anticipatory and potential areas of a weakness in the argument that must be fortified against the analytical skills that both study and practitioner of lawyer involving in observing to analyze and research the case and give the conclusions to argue in the court. And research skills able to research quickly and effectively in an essential manner to understanding of your client. They need the preparing a legal statistics and people skills that